Go ahead.
Lily, look what Mommy's got for you.
What's that?
It's
Who's
Mickey
that?
Mouse.
Mickey.
And who's this? Minnie Mouse.
Yay!
Mickey and Minnie.
Mickey Mouse. Minnie Mouse. Say Mickey, Minnie Mouse.
Look at her shoes.
Yay! Show everybody your new toys. Mickey and Minnie.
You give them hugs and kisses?
Give him a hug and a kiss. Hey, Lily. Lily. Go Giants. Mickey, Minnie. Say go Giants. Oh, she's so interested in her Mickey and Minnie. Yay! Mickey, Minnie. That's Mickey. Give him a hug and a kiss. Give him a kiss.
Give Mickey Mouse a kiss?
Give him a kiss. Where's Minnie Mouse?
That's Mickey.
Where's
That's
Minnie? There's Minnie.
Minnie wears a dress and a bow in her hair.
See Minnie? Yeah. Minnie Mouse. And that's Mickey Mouse right there.
Mickey Mouse.